How to buy Robux with Gcash 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So to buy Robux with Gcash, you'll need to link your Gcash account to your Roblox platform either through the mobile app or website, and then select Gcash as your platform method during the Robux purchase process. So if you're on a mobile, you have to open Roblox, launch the Roblox app on your mobile device, click on the Robux icon usually at the top and select buy Robux, and select the Robux package you want to purchase. And if Gcash is not listed, click other and change your country to the Philippines and or any other country that supports Gcash. Then follow the prompts to scan the QR code with Gcash app or enter your Gcash mobile number to authorize the payment. So if you are on a PC or browser, you have to go to Roblox, open the web browser and navigate to the roblox.com. Like this, as you can see, roblox.com/upgrades.robux. You just have to come to this page and then click on the Robux icon and select the Robux package you want to buy and select payment method, like choose other if Gcash isn't immediately visible. If necessary, change your country to the Philippines to find Gcash and follow on screen instructions to scan the QR code to use your Gcash mobile number to confirm the purchase. And some important considerations are: ensure your Roblox account's country setting is set to the Philippines to enable Gcash as a payment option. And if Gcash is not directly available, select other and then choose the Philippines as your country, and then you can use the Gcash. And you may need to scan a QR code using the Gcash app to complete the transaction. After successful payment, you will need receive confirmation and the Robux will be added to your account. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.